Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to duplicate a file in Figma. So for example, let me just go into my widgets and plugins and I will just use this icons widget, which is pretty cool. And I will just place something. Let me just place something like this because you can see very beautiful icons. Let me just press, for example, this fingerprint, this touch ID. All right. So for example, if you want to duplicate this, you can either go Control-C and then Control-V. As you can see, I press and now it creates multiple of the copies on top. But if you want to duplicate and place differently, you can just press on Alt, then press the button, press your left mouse. As you can see, when I press Alt, it kind of changes. As you can see, I have like a duplicate mouse now. So press on Alt and then just drag it. And there you go, there's your duplication. So very useful if you want to maybe create multiple layers or maybe merge them together, create maybe some effects, etc., whatever you want to do. Yeah, very handy feature. And in general, guys, this is how it's done. Just a few clicks. Enjoy. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorial.